located on the side of the center console. A fuel gauge is located on the top of a fuel tank. Fill the fuel tank with the appropriate grade diesel fuel up to a B20 biodiesel rating in a level, well-ventilated area. Check the engine oil before the engine is started for the day, while the engine is cool. Add oil if required. Do not overfill. Check tire pressure daily and maintain it at 18 psi or 124 kPa on all 4 tires. Check the tightness of the wheel bolts to the proper torque and make sure none are missing. Make sure all hoses and lines are secure and free of leaks. Leaking fluid can cause damage to grass and create a potential hazard to people and animals. Fill the fresh water tank with clean water and use it if skin or eyes are exposed to chemicals during use. Ensure the brakes are working prior to operation. Thoroughly read and understand the chemical manufacturer's instructions before using any chemical or additive. Ensure the chemical is compatible with Viton. Viton is used in the O-rings on the sprayer and may be degraded by some chemicals, causing leaks. Fill the spray tank in a level, well-ventilated area. Remove the tank cover by rotating it 1/2 turn counterclockwise and swinging it open. Remove, clean, and replace the strainer if required. Fill the tank 3/4 of the way with fresh, clean water. Start the engine to run the pump and agitator before adding the chemical. To start the engine, turn the ignition switch to the on preheat position. Once the preheat light turns off, it is safe to start the engine. Bring the engine to high idle and set the pump and the agitator to the on position. With the agitator running, add the proper amount of the chemical to bring the mix to the proper concentration when the tank is full, following the chemical manufacturer's instructions. If the chemical is a powder, pre-mix the powder in a container to create a pourable slurry before adding it to the tank. Never add any chemical to an empty tank. Add additional fresh water to bring the water level up to the full mark on the spray tank. The water level marks on the tank are for reference only and are not for precise calibration. Use the unit promptly after filling the tank and adding chemicals to prevent clumping, settling, or clogging. If you need to change the spray tips you are using, move the vehicle to a level, open area. With the vehicle running and at high idle, use the boom lift switch to move the booms from the transport cradles to the horizontal spray position. Release the switch after the boom is down to avoid overheating the motors and damaging the boom system. Stop the engine and remove the key. Rotate the nozzle turrets in either direction to align the desired nozzles to the spray position. All nozzle spray tips should match across all 3 booms to provide even flow from all spray points. You can clear clogged nozzle spray tips by removing the nozzle and cleaning it with a spray bottle or toothbrush. Always wear protective gear to avoid contact with chemicals. Use the boom lift switch to return the side booms to the upright transport position to move to the job site. Always make sure the booms are fully retracted and in the cradles in a crossed position before transport.